Welcome to the Keto Diet Guide channel. On this channel we discuss helpful tips and tricks when it comes to doing the keto diet. Today we'll be discussing the keto diets and being a vegetarian. Question: are you a vegetarian? Then you might be wondering whether it is possible to go the keto way without compromising your vegetarian self. Science has proven that being vegetarian as well as doing the keto diet has a lot of health benefits to the body. Keto is a high-fat, low-carb diet that has grown to be so popular in recent years. Even though it has some animal products like meat, as a vegetarian, you can adopt it. Might you be wondering how? Do not worry, you are in the right place. Here you will learn how to incorporate the keto diet into your vegetarian diet. The vegetarian keto diet. This is an eating plan that brings together both aspects of vegetarianism and the keto. Vegetarians do not like eating animal products. However, some eat eggs and dairy products but decide to do away with meat, fish, and poultry completely. The ketogenic diet requires you to take high fats and minimize the level of carbs you intake. Why would you limit the level of carbs? This is because it will help you get into the ketosis state. Here your body burns all the fat in the body rather than the carbohydrates. Since the ketogenic diet requires you to incorporate a lot of fatty foods like meat and full-fat dairy, vegetarian keto tends to eliminate all of these. It incorporates the use of healthier fats such as coconut oils and avocados. The vegetarian keto does away with meat and fish. Ultimately, this way, you will not have lost meaning in your vegetarian self. What are the health benefits you get from being a vegetarian keto? One of the benefits you get is that it enhances weight loss. People who have incorporated this in their diet have reported high rates of weight reduction. Healthy fats reduce the level of hunger and appetite by ensuring that your stomach feels full all the time. It also protects against getting chronic diseases. Studies have shown this diet plan to reduce the risk of getting a lot of chronic diseases such as chronic cancer and heart diseases. Apart from preventing the growth of any harmful viruses in the body, it also maintains brain health. The vegetarian keto diet will help control sugar levels in the body. It increases the sensitivity to insulin that controls sugar levels. Starting this diet will help you reduce and maintain your blood sugar levels. A vegetarian can follow the keto diet plan. All you need to do is to do away with meat and fish and incorporate healthier oils. There you have it. For more helpful tips for people trying to master the keto diet, check out the links in the description, or if you're interested in getting a custom keto diet test to see if the keto diet is right for you. Also, be sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.